Hi there, welcome to SharqiDance. My name is Yame, and every week I am here on this channel breaking down basic belly dance movements to help you get started on your belly dance journey or to help you practice between classes. Over the past couple of weeks, I've been breaking down what I consider to be the most foundational hip movements for belly dance. And over the next couple of weeks, I'm going to be breaking down what I consider to be the most foundational chest movements for belly dance, starting today with a movement that I call chest slides. So let's get up and get started. I start in our basic posture with the knees soft, the tailbone lengthened down, slight engagement through the lower part of the belly. The chest is open, ribs relaxed, and the shoulders relaxed down in a neutral position. From here, let's start with our hands on our hips. I find that when we're first starting to learn chest movements, this helps us to kind of create this awareness of stabilizing the lower body so that we can isolate the upper body from the lower body. So with your hands on your hips, we're going to begin by sliding the chest side to side. So sliding right, left, right, left. Trying to keep the hips as stable as we can, so no movement from the waist down, and leading the movement from the rib cage. We want to keep this movement horizontal, meaning the shoulders stay the same level the whole time without tilting up and down, keeping the shoulders the same level. We're just moving side to side. Also keeping the shoulders facing forward, the chest facing forward without rotating to the diagonal, just moving side to side. Try to lead the movement from the rib cage so that we're not leading from the shoulders. It has a little bit of a different look, and the range is a little bit smaller when we lead from the ribs. And then try to keep the head in place so that we're not moving everything from the waist up. Just trying to keep the movement isolated, somewhat isolated to the rib cage, the chest, and of course the shoulders move because the chest is moving, but there's not this huge range of movement with the shoulders. You can slightly contract through your upper waist muscles as you slide side to side. Breathe. Make sure you're breathing all the way in and all the way out. Now, once you have the hang of this movement with your hands on your hips, you can let go of the hands and just place them right next to your body with a little bit of space between your hands and your body, a slight flaring out of the elbows to create this soft curve. And keep the slides going side to side. You can also try this with the arms out to the sides. I'll do a video very soon on different arm positions that you can work with. But for now, arms down or out to the sides or hands on your hips will all work just fine. And then relax, shake it out for a moment. And now let's go over the chest slides forward and back. So for this, I'll face the side. And again, remembering the basic posture with the knees soft, the length through the tailbone, soft engagement through the lower abdominals, ribs relaxed, chest open, shoulders in a neutral position. From here, again, hands on hips to help you with that awareness of how to stabilize your hips. We're going to slide the chest forward and back, forward and back, forward and back, forward and back. You want to think of leading this movement from the chest, right from the middle of your chest or your sternum, as opposed to leading from like your head. So make sure you're not leading from your head, you're leading from your chest, forward And then when you slide back, you come just to a neutral position. You don't need to slide back past your neutral. So just come back to center. So it's a forward slide and then a slide into center. Forward and slide to center. Forward and slide to center. So forward, back. Another way to think about this is if somebody is pressing almost at like between your shoulder blades at the lowest part of your shoulder blades. So right around your bra strap if you wear a bra. So somebody's pressing you forward right from that point, right here. And then coming back. Forward, back, forward, back. Keep the shoulders in place in that neutral position. So without pulling the shoulder blades together. So keep the shoulders neutral. And then once you have the hang of the movement with your hands on your hips, try with the arms down next to the body. Hands slightly away from the body, elbows slightly flaring out. And you can also try this with the hands out to the sides. When the arms are out to the sides, the hands are slightly in front. So it's more of a diagonal than it is a straight out to the side. Forward, back, forward, back. Keeping the hips stable, so no movement from the waist down. And one more forward, and back to center. Let's take a deep breath all the way in. And breathe all the way out. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did like the video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to be notified of the next one. And if you want to learn belly dance online from me, either one-on-one or in a group setting, you can check out SharqiDance.com, link in the description below to see all the online classes that I have to offer. I'll see you next time. Bye.